Good day. This video presents the timeline of volleyball from its origin up to its development in the Philippines. Founder William G. Morgan. In 1895, William G. Morgan created volleyball in the United States. He was a physical education director who wanted a game that was less intense than basketball but still active and enjoyable. Mintonette to volleyball. The game was first called Mintonette. Later, it was renamed volleyball because players volley the ball over the net during the game. Introduction in the Philippines. Volleyball was introduced in the Philippines in 1910 by American teachers. Filipinos helped improve the game by developing new skills like the set and spike, which are now important in modern volleyball. FIVB and PVF. In 1947, the Federation Internationale de Volleyball of FIVB was established to govern volleyball worldwide. And that is the timeline of volleyball from its creation to its global and local development. Thank you for watching.